to my channel. For those who are joining us again, for those that are new, welcome. My name's Keisha and you have just entered Keisha's Closet. This is the place where we talk about everything from hair and skin and products and reviews and clothes, all the things that happen in a girl's closet. So if you are not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can know whenever I post something new. And if you like the content in this video, go ahead and push that like button. Today I'm going to be doing a Birchbox opening. So I'm super excited about my March box and I wanted to just share it with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing what it entails, please stay tuned. Okay, so my Birchbox this month says, hey, look, I'm not a bill. Who doesn't like to see that, right? So I'm just going to open this up and let's see what we have for goodies this month. All right. So the box this month is a nice little maze. Can you see that? It's pink on the bottom. And let's see what we have in here. Okay. This says, going to bed with a clean face is one of the easiest ways to prevent breakouts, which is so true. So, excuse me. This box here comes with Benefit Cosmetics mascara, Davines Momo Moisturizing Shampoo, Embryolisse Philoderm Emulsion Dry Skin Moisturizer, La Roche-Posay Micellar Water Ultra Full Size, M.A.C Cosmetics Strobe Cream Pink Light, and Davines Momo Moisturizing Conditioner, as well as Proenza Schouler Arizona Eau de Parfum. So this is what is in the box this month. And so I wanted to just show you what we have. So here's the La Roche-Posay. I'm hoping that these will, yep, there you go. And micellar water is supposed to be really good with cleansing your face and clarifying. Here is the Momo shampoo, and this is the conditioner. I wish my light was better. Sort of. Oh, there we go. And that. So I'll be trying that out. It's supposed to be moisturizing shampoo for dry or dehydrated hair, which my hair is always dry, and I'm always trying to get more moisture into it. It has yellow melon extract in it, so that is supposed to help with keeping the moisture in. Same with the conditioner. We have the strobe cream, the M.A.C strobe cream. Just a little mini. Okay. And this is supposed to be hydrating as well. And illuminating. Okay. Next we have the Benefit Cosmetics They're Real mascara. And I actually don't have any mascara on, so I think I'm going to just try this one on real quick just because, why not? If I can get it open. Okay. So it says there's some stats on here, and it says 94% saw dramatic length and volume, 90% saw base to tip curl, 94% saw visible lift, and 100% saw long wearing results. So let me get up close so you can see my lashes as they are. Okay. I'm going to try to put this on using you guys as my mirror because I don't have a mirror here with me. So I'm going to be all up in there. I hope you guys don't have a problem with eyeballs because mine is very close to the camera. Okay. I won't go crazy. I like the brush. It's super, not super, it's really separated. So that's very cool. I hate it when it's one big clump. So here it is. This is the side with none. This is the side with some. I see a difference, but that's with any mascara. So we'll see. I'll do a full face with it and I'll let you guys see that later in another video. So, here is the Embryolisse Philoderm Emulsion. So this says, this nourishing repair care, famous for its effectiveness on dry skin, loads the skin with all the essential nutrients for its balance. From natural origin, the nutrients relipidize the skin, reconstruct the intercellular cement, and reinforce the skin's barrier. So the skin is soothed and comfortable. It is supple and becomes smooth and soft. So this sounds like it's going to be really cool and do wonders for my skin. So I'm going to test this out and I'll let you know what I think about this as well. And then lastly, we have the Proenza Schouler perfume. So let's see what this smells like. Not that you can smell it, but I can tell you if it smells good or not. I don't love that. My face can't hide things. I don't, no. I'm going to give this away. So, if you happen to have tried this perfume before and you like it, feel free to leave a comment and I'll send this to you. I don't love this. So I will definitely give this away. I won't do a full-on YouTube channel giveaway, but if you want it, let me know and I will send that off to you. So that's everything that is in the box. I can't wait to try some of these skincare and hair care products. As I use them, I'll come back and give you guys an update on how everything worked. Because, you know, I love Birchbox because they give you sample sizes so that you can try things out before you buy the full size. Because some of these things, I mean, they always tell you how much the full size is. Some of these things for a full size is, you know, $105. This perfume that I don't like is $105 for the full size perfume. So like I said, if you want that, let me know. It's apparently gold. So there's everything on here is over, like most of it's over $20, $35, $33, $29. So this is some good stuff when you buy it full size. And so I love being able to try things out before I buy them full size to determine if I like it or not, before committing to something. Because who doesn't like to do that, right? So that is my March Birchbox. I will be back next month to share my April with you guys. And I will be back to report on what I think of some of these products as I use them. So until next time, again, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye.